the dual zone Comformaker is running in a 95-degree Fahrenheit day, keeping the house at, here's the upstairs unit. This unit on the right here is the upstairs unit. That is the downstairs unit. Sorry, I hit stop record accidentally. So yeah, upstairs unit, downstairs unit. Upstairs unit set to 70. Downstairs unit is set to 76. 70, 76. This unit's been running the whole day, and this unit's been cycling. They both have Copeland reciprocating compressors. They're both 10-SEER units. They're both matched up to Comformaker gas furnaces. They're 2-ton units. They are 2-ton units, both of them, both from the 29th week of 2002. Liquid line is, ow, that's hot. Liquid line on the units is hot, and the suction line is cold and sweaty. And again, they're running under a high heat load, under high stress. And yeah, it's just really humid. And not really a nice day. And they're kind of loud. I think one of them is going to shut off. Something. Yep, I'm using the FS300. No, none of them do. Yeah, that one's cycling, that one's keeping upstairs at 70. This is the upstairs furnace, right here. Oh, the liquid line is hot, as I said. So this is the upstairs furnace, running in cooling mode. Obviously, this upstairs furnace is a 50,000 BTU unit running in cool mode from 2002. And it's running in cool mode, 50,000 BTU upstairs unit. So yeah. Then this is the downstairs unit. It's a Comformaker soft sound as well. Same exact furnace, 50,000 BTU. They have 2-ton A coils and Copeland reciprocating compressors. And yeah, the furnaces are really quiet. And there are the vents. They're non-direct vent furnaces. And then that is the newly retrofitted Bradford Light 40-gallon water heater. Power vent. Yeah, one more time. So yeah, upstairs unit, downstairs unit. Thank you for watching. Well, no. So yeah, the 2-ton 2002 Comformakers and their gas furnaces running in cooling mode. Well, the gas furnace is running in cool mode and the outdoor unit's running 95-degree Fahrenheit day with the heat index of 108. It's just hot. So, yeah. And then that's the vent for the Bradford White. The house was built in 1919 and 1920. It was either 1919 or 1920. And in 2002, they added a new water heater, the power vent, and the 2 furnaces and the central air. They always had gas forced heat, but this was the first central AC units. These were. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, and rate. Oh, and the upstairs unit just shut off for the first time today. So the upstairs unit hasn't been cycling at all today, but this is the first time I've seen it shut off. This unit's been cycling, but yeah, it's set to 70, the upstairs unit is. Downstairs unit set to 76. And yeah, they both have Emerson, how many RPMs? 1075 RPM fans. With Copeland reciprocating compressors. And yeah, I know I'm boring you, so yep, this is just the downstairs unit running, keeping the downstairs at 76, 76, 70. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, and rate. Only the downstairs unit is running. So yeah, over and out.